Hey guys, did you know you can make turkey wings that are crispy on the outside and very juicy on the inside in an air fryer? Yes, you can. Welcome to Clarion's kitchen. Let's make the crispiest finger-licking air fried turkey wings with potato and coleslaw to complement it. Here are the ingredients I use. I started by getting the turkey wings out of the freezer. Wash twice with salt and water. I placed my pot on the fire, put in the turkey wings and season with salt and ground pepper. Chopped the onions. Add in and cover to cook. Now the spiced turkey wings is half done. Put in the turkey wings inside the air fryer bowl. Set the air fryer to 200 degrees about 10 to 15 minutes. You flip halfway and repeat the process in order to cook on both sides. And now it's ready. Get it out of the bowl and set aside. And for the sweet potatoes, I peeled, washed, and cut into tiny pieces. Sprinkle a little salt and mix it. Place it inside the air fryer bowl and set at 200 degrees till it's done. For making the coleslaw, I grated the carrots, sliced the cucumbers. I got the desired shape. Also washed the cucumbers and sliced as usual. In a large clean bowl, put in the carrots, cabbage, and go in with the mayonnaise and mix until it's well combined. It's plating time, guys. Firstly, I go in with my coleslaw. Then the juicy turkey wing. Go in with the sweet potato chips. Place the sliced cucumber. And guys, it is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.